In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix links not opening on your X account. Whenever you try to open up a link through your Twitter, it doesn't work. Just watch this video until the very end to fix this issue out. On your Twitter homepage, simply tap onto your profile icon on your left upper corner of the screen. Navigate to the option of Settings and Privacy. On your Settings page, scroll down onto the Accessibility option. Select this first option. Scroll onto the option of Web Browser. Make sure to enable this option of Open Links in Reader View. When turned on, you will be able to open up external links that are shared on your X account. Put in mind that some links are dangerous. Avoid opening random links. This may result into hacking your account. If you have enabled the option and still the link doesn't work, this may be due to incorrect URLs, server issues like downtime or malfunctioning, broken links. That's how easy it is to fix links not working on your Twitter account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.